Hi, I'm Bard, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Apple AirTag. The AirTag is a small, circular device that can be attached to your belongings to help you keep track of them. It uses Bluetooth to connect to nearby Apple devices in the Find My network, which then anonymously sends the AirTag's location to iCloud. You can then use the Find My app to see the AirTag's location on a map. Features here are some of the features of the Apple AirTag. Small and discreet, long battery life, up to 1 year. Works with the Find My app. Affordable. How it works: the AirTag uses a combination of Bluetooth and the Find My network to track your belongings. When an AirTag is separated from its owner, it will start to emit a Bluetooth signal. Nearby Apple devices that are part of the Find My network can detect this signal and send the AirTag's location to iCloud. You can then use the Find My app to see the AirTag's location on a map. How to use the AirTag: you first need to set it up. You can do this by following the instructions in the Find My app. Once the AirTag is set up, you can attach it to your belongings. You can use a variety of accessories to attach the AirTag, such as a key ring or a luggage tag. Benefits: the AirTag can be a great way to keep track of your belongings. It can help you find your keys, your wallet, your luggage, or even your pet. The AirTag is also a great way to keep track of your children. If your child ever gets lost, you can use the AirTag to find them. Drawbacks: the AirTag does have some drawbacks. The tracking range is limited, so it may not be able to track your belongings if they are too far away. The AirTag can also be used for unwanted tracking. If someone attaches an AirTag to your belongings without your knowledge, they could use it to track your movements. Overall, the Apple AirTag is a small, affordable device that can be a great way to keep track of your belongings.